Welcome to Magenta Research at Digital Signage Expo 2012 in sunny Las Vegas. We'd like to show you our new generation of fiber optic extension, matrix switching, and distribution product called Voyager. Voyager uses multi-mode fiber optic, which is an industry standard infrastructure, and can support high definition HDMI, analog, or DVI signals up to 6,600 feet using OM4 fiber optic, or 1,640 feet using OM1 fiber optic, and up to 30 kilometers using single mode fiber optic. So it's a very long distance extension switching product, perfect for industrial applications like casinos, sports bars, medical, and universities. These are the transmitters that are a fully modular setup, and these will take in your video and send it over to our receivers. Voyager can obviously be a point-to-point solution, but because our transmitters also have two SFP ports built into it, every transmitter is also a 2-port DA. Furthermore, because every receiver also has that second SFP port, receivers can also be daisy-chained to additional receivers, creating a digital signage distribution setup. The second port on the receiver can also be used as a 2-to-1 switch though. So you can send two transmitters to one receiver, for example, in a conference room application. Obviously, Voyager is quite flexible as far as its setup goes. Voyager, of course, is fully compatible with our matrix switchers in the Voyager line. This 9U chassis here is a 160-port backplane that works with the Voyager transmitters and receivers. The incredibly unique part about Voyager is that every port on our switch could be an input or an output. So a 160-port switch could be a 60 by 100, a 100 by 60, a 1 by 159, etc., etc. We do not limit you to input or output cards. It's the same card for both sides. The GUI that you see running here is software that is included with the switch for free that obviously allows full control of the matrix switch, including system status and control information to get temperatures, voltage levels, and fan speeds. The software also runs not only on RS-232 but also on IP. The touchscreen that you see here is an optional touchscreen for a $5,000 list price that will then take said GUI and run it on the switch for it yourself. We also offer a 48-port matrix switch, which is the exact same idea as the 160-port with a smaller 5U chassis. Of course, all the Voyager matrix switchers use redundant power supplies, fully hot swappable, and filtered air. So we have an air filter right here that actually slides out the front of the unit from this plate right here. The advantage to that filter assembly is that after the switch is installed, to clean out the filter, you don't have to worry about any of the wiring behind the switch. Right here you see another new product in the Voyager line, which is our compact format version. This is an example of a transmitter that's obviously quite a bit smaller than their standard height modular unit. And this handles HDMI, RS-232, and audio separately. This right here, the CF18, is a powered backplane that can hold 18 of these transmitter cards in a 4U high chassis, again with redundant power supplies using an IEC power cord. This assembly here makes a very attractive install for commercial industrial application. Please visit us at magenta-research.com. Thank you.